Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change default downloads location in Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this first, open Opera GX browser and then click on this one menu icon. Then select settings in the drop down menu. Under Opera settings, select this one privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to this one advanced option and click on this. Again scroll down to find this one downloads section. Under downloads you will find this one location option. Click on change button. Now navigate in the left panel and select a new download location and then click on this one select folder option. This will change the default downloads location in Opera GX browser on your Windows PC.